Hello, David again, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today I'm standing next to a 2022 250 SDX by Sea Ray. The color is quantum blue with a black bottom. As I move around to the stern of the boat, you can see there's a nice grab handle here. We have sea deck, glue down sea deck on the swim platform. This has the manual swim step. This folds down, gives you a nice seat in the water, about waist high or so when you're sitting on it. Kids like to jump up on it and jump off. We have our stainless steel boarding ladder. This boat's equipped with a 300 horsepower Bravo 3, as you can see from the outdrive. Just came in, so it's still winterized. Okay, we moved up on the aft of the boat. As you can see, I'm on a large sun pad. To my right, the starboard side, we have two charge ports. We have a flagpole holder, of course stainless steel cup holders that are lit. On the port side, I have another charge port. Everybody needs to charge their cell phone. So I slide forward, aft. We have an outdrive trim switch right here, so we can pick up and lower the outdrive when it's on the trailer. There's a cooler you can access from the water, from the aft deck right here. This does drain below into the bilge. Stereo control. A transom door. We'll flip this forward, and we'll come onto the boat. We ordered this boat loaded with options. I mentioned down below we have a water sports tower above my head. New for 2022 with a slight handle. We can actually lower the tower down to get underneath any low bridges. All of our cup holders underneath are recessed. This boat was ordered with a bow and a cockpit table. We'll bring it right up into here. As I mentioned, 300 horsepower Bravo 3. Underneath the starboard seat, we have a carry-off cooler. Standard on all the Sea Rays right now. As I mentioned before, that pass-through on the aft will come all the way forward and comes right in front of this compartment here. We've also ordered this boat with a tube inflator, and there is a spot for this and everything in its spot. The brackets for the tables are in here. It goes very deep all the way down to the bilge. Underneath my feet, I am staying on the Infinity woven carpet. We can also get this with snap-in sea deck. This boat was ordered with the Infinity flooring. Both of these backrests right now are leaning forward to have optimum station in the cockpit. We decide to go underway very easily. We can flip them. Now both our driver and our passenger are sliding forward. Up here on the helm, we have a flip-up bolster. Get you up above so you can see above the windshield. We have a 12-inch digital dashboard. This includes your SIMRAD, your navionics, water temperature, water depth, engine data, a chirp showing the bottom outlet, of course our instrumentation gauges, our Fusion stereo system, our ignition, digital throttle, digital shift. What is unique about the 250 SDX is not this little glove box right here, but this large storage compartment under the helm. There's a pump out porta potty in there. There's also cushions that fill that entire spot to make a little lounge area to get out of the sun if you need to. If you want to follow me right up front, we'll pass through the port side windshield. Of course, there's a door right here. Close off the wind on those nights. Windshield will close over. .250 SDX is loaded up with a lot of space, a lot of options. In the very bow of the boat, we have a bow boarding ladder. This tucks away nicely with anchor storage as well. Underneath the center seat, we have a cockpit table sit right up here. There's storage I mentioned earlier in the back. Our cup holders are still recessed. We can also put a large filler cushion in here to make this one giant sun pad. There's more charge ports on the right-hand side, on the starboard side. Our pump out is up there on the dashboard. It's a lot of options for a 25-foot boat. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you. Thank you so much.